To see a diamond's full details, click anywhere on the line item. Click the company name to learn more about the seller and their reputation. Click on the calculator to calculate pricing. And communicate directly with the seller by clicking the Contact Seller button. Record personal notes about the diamond that will reappear whenever you view the same diamond in the future. Click on Filters to fine-tune your search results. Adjust your search criteria and click Apply to immediately receive new results. You can also sort your results here. Select multiple diamonds to unlock additional actions, which allow you to expand your selection, add the diamonds to the Compare tool, save the diamonds for future tracking, or simply focus in on the selection.